Happy birthday, Hunter.
Happy birthday, Hunter!
Medyo maaga yata ang dating namin. Actually, madali lang mag-travel si Hunter kasi gusto niya. Gusto niya talaga yung gumagalaw.
Yeah! So yung luggage natin sila na bahala.
Oo, sabi, binigyan lang kami ng pass para mamaya siguro sila na magdadala sa rooms natin. Yun lang, update lang.
Time would be 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you. Enjoy stay with us.
Ready na? Ayun, nice. Wow! Look, balloons.
Hi guys, so naka-check-in na kami. Medyo foggy. Naka-check-in na kami, nag-early check-in kami. Complimentary early check-in. And then, punta na kami ngayon sa cafe for lunch. Then,
Ang
balik
lapit lang ng room namin sa reception.
Yes. Hey guys, so umorder na kami ng lunch. Oxtail kare-kare, crispy okoy, tsaka rice. So yun lang muna. Kasi pagkakain namin, babalik kami sa room, magpapalit kami, and then pupunta na kami sa beach. Tingnan niyo yung view. Ito si Hunter, so far okay naman siya. Naglalaro lang siya. Ay, anak, sa plato yan, hindi sa baso.
Good morning, guys. So today is our second day here in Boracay and it's drizzling. So, ang aga namin natulog kagabi, parang 7 p.m. kasi si Hunter is tulog na din. So, natulog na din kami ng maaga. So, right now, we are on our way to breakfast sa second floor. Ube champorado, bacon, sausage, pineapple, potato, and some pastry.
This is for round 2. Pansit, Java rice, sriracha chicken, mixed stir-fry veg tuyo, and omelette. Mangosteen, biko, maha blanca, chocolate, ensaymada, and taho. Interesting. Mga moms. And ano to mga to?
Taho, maha blanca, biko, So guys, pwede kayong mag-request ng sterilizer sa concierge. Kahapon naki-microwave kami, tapos hindi namin alam na pwede palang manghiram. Ang linis, ang ganda, parang ang bago eh. Sige pa. Hello, Magic! Good morning! Pwede pong ko-pick up dito sa Station 1. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So, nakatulog ang litawan. Mata kami ng Timo.
Ano kayang meron doon?
Balita ko, hindi talaga siya mall kasi sabi niya, Demon. Thank you.
Dalawa.
Kailan po siya ginawa?
Open po siya 2009. Tapos 5 years po siya ginawa. Maybe 5 years.
Oh, ang laki. Huh? 5 years ginawa.
Bundok po kasi.
Bundok. Kaya pala pataas ba? Thank you pa, kuya. Pizza and chips was good, my bro.
Alright, so I'd like to say good afternoon to everyone. Welcome here at Cello. And of course, welcome to our set for today. This is going to be our first set. Thank you so much for being here. Lying in my bed, hear the clock tick and think of you. Caught up in circles, confusion is nothing new.
Morning. Third day na namin yung breakfast. Casino, tapa, bangus, stir-fried veg, munggo, and fried rice. Si May. Yep. Second round, street food. Kwek-kwek, chicken skin, sausage, bacon, grilled veg with pinakurat. The last and final round, the dessert round.
Hi guys!
So guys, today we are going home and this is our third day, second night.
It was awesome.
Dami naming hindi masyadong nagawa kasi pag may baby ka, limited lang yung choices mo.
but it's okay.
Pero nag-enjoy kami talaga kasi ang ganda ng resort.
Babalik ako dito.
Ako din. Ikaw lang. Siya lang babalik.
Kasi value for money talaga, as you can see. Sobrang friendly ng mga staff, helpful, and above and beyond talaga.
Wow. Sobrang parang secluded na area. Parang
And
ganun.
very secured. Yeah. Do you like my braids?
Kaya pala si Allen Iverson. Or Alicia Susi.
Sabi po!
Anyways, yun lang guys. Ang flight namin is in 2 hours. Ay, hindi pala. 1 p.m. 4 hours. Pero yung shuttle namin mapunta sa airport ay in 1 hour. So, nagpe-prepare na kami pa uwi. And yun lang. Thanks guys for watching.
Happy birthday, Hunter!
Happy birthday, Hunter!